Investing can feel like navigating a maze, right? So many options, so little time.
Exactly. But what if I told you there's a simple, proven strategy that can help you build wealth without the stress?
Introducing the 3-fund portfolio, your ticket to financial freedom.
Let's break it down. The 3-fund portfolio is built on 3 key components.
First, the Total Stock Market Index Fund. This is your global growth engine.
Second, the Total International Stock Market Index Fund, because diversification is key.
And third, the Total Bond Market Index Fund, your safety net during market storms.
Together, they create a balanced, low-cost portfolio that works for you.
The beauty of this strategy? It's simple, low maintenance, and cost-effective.
You don't need to constantly tweak it or stress over market trends. It's designed to grow with you over time.
And because it's diversified, you're protected when the market gets rocky.
It's like having a financial autopilot. Ready to take control of your financial future?
Start building your 3-fund portfolio today. It's easier than you think.
And for more insights on AI, finance, and how you can retire early,
Sign up now and join us on this journey.
your future self will thank you.